Well, different people have a different idea about this picture. I have my own idea. I would like to say that what can I see on this picture? This picture mainly provide that the 105 Americans eat fast food several times a week. A frequency of dining at fast food restaurant among Americans. The highest percentage, the 40% of July 2003 and December 2006 and the July 2013. The 35% and the 30%, 25%, and also the lowest percentage 20%, 15%, 10%. In addition, the everyday and several times a week, about once a week, once or twice a month, a few times a year, never. In conclude, we can see there are different types of color like blue, yellow, red, green, and also black, orange, green.